what COVID-19 has done to our community is terrible, but it would be worse if what it did immobilized us. COVID-19 in our community has activated us.
In Santa Clara, California, County Supervisor Cindy Chavez says the pandemic has spurred their local government to action, providing both programs and resources for women. Earlier this year, the federal government allocated $350 billion in emergency funds to states, cities, and counties through the passage of the American Rescue Plan by Congress. In Philadelphia, local leaders distributed funds to hurting businesses through grant programs.
We've worked to distribute a total of more than $26 million to more than 2,000 local small businesses, with the goal of keeping them from closing and preserving jobs.
And the pandemic hasn't been the only challenge facing states and cities this year. In Wyoming, coal country, a push against wind and solar energy taking over pristine landscape as state senators argue that climate responsibilities should not be shouldered by their state alone.
It's almost like we have sinned because we provided the nation with carbon-based electricity for all these years, powered a nation with our coal. So we have to suffer going forward with the loss of our landscape for the sins to help with the global warming problem. I'm kind of arguing that it has to be a shared responsibility across the nation.
And in Arizona, officials are fighting for regulation to prevent harmful chemicals in drinking water.
I really want to bring a quicker, faster solution so that people don't have to, I would say, second guess themselves if they're turning on their faucet and they say, do I cook with it? Is it okay to drink from it? We really need a solution quickly.
And many state and local leaders say this last year has shown that in times of crisis, action happens locally.
The more strategic we are about supporting those communities, the better we are at helping everybody.